Welcome to my cubbyhole, Tim's studio cubbyhole. Slot cars. It's all about slot cars. Layouts that I'm working for my brother. Slot cars. It's all about slot cars. Brian got me on this idea of doing some sketches because I'd done a Peugeot painting before, and I have a 55 Bel Air painting hanging above his office desk. And then some of the customers began asking, hey, can we get some paintings or drawings done of some of the new styles of cars that are coming out? And I thought, well, yeah, maybe we could try some, instead of the massive oil paintings, which takes a lot of time and are more costly, doing some sketches. So we started creating these sketches of all the new styles of cars that have come out, the 55 Bel Air and the different styles. It's marker sketches that I lay out the drawing and then just incorporate the specific colors of the actual individual cars. Here's some of the cars, in fact, that I have on my table, and I read when I get a chance. Most recent one has been the Willie, and I've been exploring using markers. I was going to use gouache, but then I wasn't too versed in it, and then I was thinking watercolor, but now I'm exploring the markers just for a fresh, sketchy approach, look. And this is what's called a barn find. Got all these different terms for slot cars, which I'm not very familiar with. But this was the most recent one with the, I think it's called the Willie. And that'll go with the rest of the collection that are up there. These are the beginning sketches that I started off with because I'm not really a car sketch artist. This could be a preliminary, and then I'll do another one, or like I did, let's see, a couple of this was a practice. I did it on a cheap sheet of paper, and then I did it again on another sheet. These are neat. They're for sale. Each one of these is for sale, the original, but then also we have prints. You got to check out the prints. They're pretty nice on ProTinkerToys.com. Is that how you say it?